guys, I'm Ritika. Welcome to Dramatical Error. Today's video is about some very basic things about wearing nail polish. There are a lot of other things as well, but I'm not going into details for those because I'm trying to keep this video as relatable as possible because sometimes we do not have all the supplies with us. So yeah, I think it's gonna be helpful. So if you find this video helpful at all, please mention that in the comment section. Give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video as much as possible. And I'm done saying all of the things. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, yes, my nails are yellow, and no, they are not unhealthy. This is because I do not wear base coat as often, and the dark pigmented nail polishes tend to stain the nails, and I do not buff them off because that weakens the nails. So yeah. So the first thing you need to do is remove all the previous nail polish from your nails and remove the excess oils that might be on them so that the nail polish sticks better to your nails. Next important thing is how much nail polish you're going to pick up on the brush, because that's the key to your mess-free manicure. So see very carefully. Take out the brush, wipe the excess nail polish from one side and tap the other one on the edge. Tap. Do not wipe, just tap. So what do you do when you take out a lot of nail polish on both the sides? You wipe the one side like you did before, and for the other side you wipe it till the halfway. That's how much you should have on the tip of the brush. Now let's get to the application. Say hello to my yellow nails. Also see, the shade of the nail polish and shade of my nails are pretty much the same. So we start from the middle, like 3 to 4 millimeters away from the cuticle. We drag the brush to 1 millimeter away from the cuticle. Then we drag towards the tip. This will prevent us from flooding the cuticles like anything. Also, do not forget to seal the tip at the end of the first coat. By the way, how did you like the new intro? Let me know in the comment section. Let's see the application once more. Start from almost the middle, 1 millimeter away from the cuticles, and drag back to the tip. Be very patient while dragging the brush around the corners of your nails, otherwise you might end up flooding the cuticles. This is how. So the next thing we need to keep in mind that every coat needs to dry properly before you apply the next one. Otherwise it's gonna make bubbles, or it's gonna make it gloopy, or it's gonna take ages to dry. Make sure you're patient, otherwise you still can flood the cuticles and ruin the manicure. A little patience while applying the nail polish is gonna save you a lot of cleaning up the mess time. Now you're gonna see the application with a different kind of a brush. This one is a squarish, roundish, I don't know what, because it's not a very well cut, so it's not a nice brush. So what this can do is it can flood your cuticles because it's not as rounded as your cuticles, and it's not evenly cut, and it's wide, so it can go into places and completely ruin your manicure. To clean it up with acetone and a cleanup brush, so let's try to avoid this scenario. Well, this is how I usually clean. The key to the application with this kind of a brush would be, do not press your brush like way too much onto your nails. Just gently touch it, and then when it's like reached the perfect width, then you flatten the brush and drag it back. It's a little difficult to explain, but you can see. Just do not press it too hard and do not flatten the brush way too much because it's already white. Next we are gonna see a perfect brush, that is a rounded tip brush. Okay, let's just avoid that glitter, that's so annoying. It's from the background that I have. You see, this brush is round tipped, it's wide, so it will cover most of our nails in one stroke, and it will not flood the cuticles because it's like perfect adjustment with the curvature. Now we're gonna see the application of a nail polish that dries too quickly, has a very thin brush, and is difficult to apply without any streaks. It's a very thin brush and it's a very quick dry formula, and it's a matte nail polish, so it dries even faster. So the first coat is still fine, but if you make any streaks, it's gonna stay and it's gonna ruin the whole mani. So you gotta really flatten your brush and apply. So the key to this application is you take a lot of polish on the brush and you do not press the brush too hard on your nails. You just touch the surface and glide it over quite a few times with swift movements without pressing it too hard. As you can see, the streaks are still visible and it's gonna stay there because of the streaks we had in the first coat. So these are the basics of applying nail polish, and there are some other things as well, like base coat and top coat are pretty much necessary, but this one's I try to keep it as simple and basic and relatable as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. My Instagram account is linked in the description box, so make sure you check it out. A lot of components from this series will be posted only on Instagram, so you don't want to miss it. I'll see you around. Bye bye.